Hi everyone, my name's Lexie Davis, dietetic intern here with Hokie Wellness, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a cinnamon roll baked oatmeal. This is one of my favorite recipes, so I hope you guys enjoy it. To get started here, you can see I've got all of my ingredients kind of pre-portioned out and ready to go. Just to make it a little bit quicker, I'm going to start with combining all of my wet ingredients. So that's going to be 2 cups of milk. This is soy milk, just because I wanted to make this recipe dairy-free, but you can use regular milk or any other nut milk, dairy-free milk, whatever you have. Next, I'm going to add 1/3 of a cup of melted coconut oil. You could also use butter or ghee, but like I said, wanted to make it dairy-free, so I went with the coconut oil. Next, I'm going to add a teaspoon of vanilla extract, and I never really measure vanilla. I just kind of eyeball it. There we go. Next, I'm going to add 2 eggs. After that, I'm going to add 1/3 of a cup of maple syrup. You can also use honey if you don't have maple syrup. I just think that maple syrup is a little bit easier to clean up than honey. Okay, so I'm going to combine all of these. Oh, and I don't know if I said, but my oven right now is preheating to 350 degrees. Okay, so for the dry ingredients, the base is oats, so it's going to be 3 cups of quick oats. So 3 cups of these. Okay, so I'm going to combine that with the wet ingredients. And next I'm gonna add in 2 teaspoons of cinnamon, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, and 1/2 teaspoon of salt. So I just put them all in here. So I'm gonna sprinkle these in and mix to combine. So it might look kind of soupy, and that's okay. It doesn't need to be like a batter consistency. When it bakes, it'll harden up a little bit and be more of like oatmeal bars. So it smells so good. So next I'm going to transfer it into this 8x8 greased loaf pan. So just gonna pour that in here. Okay, and then this is the best part. I'm gonna take my toppings and sprinkle it on top. And the toppings is cinnamon and either brown sugar or coconut sugar. So today I'm using coconut sugar, but if you have brown sugar, that's fine. So I'm just gonna mix these together with a fork. And this is really gonna give it that cinnamon roll flavor. And then I'm gonna take a spoon and sprinkle it on top like this. Okay, so that's all on there, and now my oven is preheated, so I'm gonna go ahead and put this in the oven for about 30 to 35 minutes. Here is an up-close look at the final product. It turned out so well, and it is so delicious. I love having this for breakfast or dessert. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope everybody has a great rest of your week.